For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Tuesday, June 18th, my name is Ian Kelly. These are some of the stories we're following and working on at this hour. A public forum on the opioid epidemic is scheduled for this Thursday night from 6 till 8 p.m. at the Brattleboro Fire Department. The forum is being hosted by the Brattleboro Fire Department and Brattleboro Memorial Hospital and will feature panelists from the hospital, Project CARE, Turning Point, Groundworks, the Brattleboro Retreat, and the New England High Intensity Drug Trafficking Area Program. In 2018, 24 residents of Windham County died of opioid overdoses, 7 of them in Brattleboro. In 2019, 7 people have died through April in the county, 2 of those deaths in Brattleboro. Folks who attend this Thursday night's forum will learn how opioids affect the brain, why some people are more susceptible to addiction than others, and what resources are available in the community for those in recovery. Governor Scott is rejecting a bill that he says would hurt Vermont jobs. A medical monitoring bill would have required Vermont businesses to cover treatment costs of certain health problems. This includes exposure to toxic chemicals on the job. Governor Scott says the bill lacks clarity and worries it will keep businesses from staying in or even coming to Vermont. He said Vermont has already taken big steps towards making people responsible for contaminating water and other areas with chemicals. In a statement, House Speaker Mitzi Johnson said Vermont must do better. Johnson says Vermonters should be protected from exposure of harmful chemicals and help when they are impacted. New Hampshire isn't ready to legalize recreational marijuana use, but it is close to expanding options for those who use it for medical reasons. Several bills related to the therapeutic use of cannabis have been sent to Governor Chris Sununu. One would allow physician assistants to authorize the use of the drug for patients. Another would allow patients and designated caregivers to grow marijuana plants at home. Governor Scott has signed a bill aimed at getting Vermont veterans who have served overseas to sign up on a national registry that tracks symptoms of those who have suffered from burn bit exposure. The bill requires the state health commissioner and adjutant general to work together to develop and make available information about the possible health effects of being exposed to chemicals from burn pits in Iraq and Afghanistan. In WTSA sports, Rick Porcello pitched 7 shutout innings for the Red Sox to outduel Minnesota ace Jose Berrios. Red Sox stretched their season-high winning streak to 6 games and beat the Twins 2-0. Those 2 teams play again tonight with David Price on the mound for Boston. First pitch is at 8:10. Masahiro Tanaka pitched a 2-hitter with 10 strikeouts. Yankees blanked the Rays 3-0. Those 2 teams play again this evening with Jay Happ on the mound for New York. First pitch is at 7:10. For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Tuesday, June 18th, my name is Ian Kelly.